Hi, welcome to our video series on Klutch, a solution that offers a centralized way to expose different services in Kubernetes environments. In these quick demos, we'll show you how Klutch empowers developers to easily deploy both container and virtual machine-based data services through its Kubernetes-native interface. Provisioning and managing services across different environments can be a major challenge. Fragmenting tooling and manual processes often slow down development and drain resources. Klutch aims to address these complexities. It simplifies tasks for platform operators by offering full lifecycle automation and a central control plane for managing data services at scale. It offers a unified experience for developers, streamlining provisioning, management, and consumption of data services across diverse infrastructure environments. With a single data service license, developers gain flexible access to any current or future data service. I'm Abdul Hasib, and in this series we'll dive into the practical use case of Klutch. I'll demonstrate how smooth and efficient deployments in both container-based and virtual machine-based data services through Kubernetes native interface is now possible.